To present a choice or alternative, coffee or tea, work or play, stay or leave. Would you like coffee or tea? You can work or play depending on your mood. Do you want to stay or leave the party? To indicate a possibility. Could be or, is it or maybe or, it could be or, it might just be a coincidence. Is it or are you just assuming? She's unsure, maybe or it's the best choice. To suggest a relationship or connection, cause or effect, order or chaos, truth or fiction. This is a typical cause or effect situation. The debate revolved around order or chaos in society. What they said seems to be truth or fiction. In questions to present two or more options, one or the other, left or right, yes or no, you need to choose one or the other. Should I turn left or right at the next junction? Please answer with yes or no. To combine or link two statements or ideas. I need a pen or a pencil. Either you can use a pen or a pencil for the test. I will either go to the gym or stay home today. Common collocations with or something or someone or anything. Do you want pizza or something else? She's looking for someone or something important. Can I have anything or just your signature?